Balanced scorecards are used by some companies to help them align the objectives of their strategy with the specific initiatives and activities that the organization plans to implement in order to realize their objectives. So the balanced scorecard fits between the strategy and the specific actions the organization wants to take. There are two main components of the balanced scorecard: the measures that the organization will use to assess whether or not the objectives were met, and the specific targets that the organization is trying to reach. This metric attempts to take measurements from at least 4 different perspectives: financial, customers, internal processes, and learning. The process of creating and balancing one of these scorecards is done by a group of people, a group of stakeholders. As a training and development specialist, you probably won't create a scorecard on your own, but you may be asked to participate in coming up with the measures, the targets, the initiatives, and activities in the 4th category, in the learning, innovation, organizational capacity category.